Let's make some miniature lemon and lime cakes from polymer clay. And welcome to my channel, Notorious Crafts. Here are the supplies that I am using, and they are all also linked down below in the description. I'm using this silicone mold to help create the shape of the cakes. I have little miniature lemon and lime slices, some liquid polymer clay, as well as some regular polymer clay. I'm using one of the round-shaped molds and just filling it up to the very top with some liquid polymer clay. To remove any air bubbles or air pockets, you can gently tap the mold against your surface or try to remove some of the surface air bubbles using a toothpick. I'm going to make the second cake using some of this green polymer clay. I do want to use both liquid and regular polymer clay so I can compare the two and see how each of them turn out in the mold. After softening the clay in my fingers, I'm going to place it in the mold and just squish it in. I recommend doing this first before adding the liquid polymer clay in case some of it spills over. I can see the liquid polymer clay moving as I'm trying to push down the green clay. I smoothed out the top before baking it. I'm using Sculpey clay for both the liquid clay and the green polymer clay, and they both bake at the same temperature, so I was able to bake them both at the same time. After I baked the clay and took it out of the mold, the green one ended up so cracked. I'm not sure what I did wrong. Maybe I didn't bake it for enough time, but the good news is the yellow one turned out perfectly. The liquid polymer clay ended up looking so much better. I'm using this clay adhesive from the brand Sculpey to attach all of the decorations on top of my cake. I'm attaching each of the lime slices one at a time, and then in between adding some more drops of the clay adhesive and then continuing to add more of the lime slices. I'm adding a lemon slice in the very top center of the cake and then going to add some of the lime slices all around it. And when I'm done, I'll place it in the oven to bake so that the clay adhesive can harden. Since my green cake ended up having lots of cracks all over it, I decided to cover up the cracks by applying some of the lemon slices over the entire thing to camouflage that the cake has any cracks in it. I used small drops of the clay adhesive and attached each of the slices one by one. I cut some of the lemon slices in half, and this helped me be able to fit them at the very bottom where I couldn't fit an entire slice. All the lemon slices are attached now, and it's ready to pop in the oven for one last time. Here is how both of the cakes turned out after baking and hardening. This yellow cake with lime decorations is definitely my favorite. I think it looks a lot better than the green one with lemon slices. Let me know which one you like better down below in the comments. The yellow one using liquid polymer clay also turned out a lot more shiny, so I think that helps too. I'm also glad that I was able to hide the cracks of the green one using the lemon slices. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.